Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. I will be packing for my trip to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's bad, I'm not making outfits before I go. I'm just bringing a bunch of options that I know will go together, like kind of capsule wardrobe. So yeah, it was last night, it was me trying things on, realizing they didn't fit, and then putting them away, finding dupes. So I do have to do some more laundry, and that's okay. I have other things I can wash, but let's get into packing the pile. Okay, I know it's silly, but I don't have one of those things that you can hook onto your suitcase to check the weight. And I don't have a scale in my house. So, but my parents have a scale, so I can check the weight of my suitcase when I get to their house. But in the meantime, what I do have, a set of weights that is approximately 24 pounds, because 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is 24 pounds of weights. This is a suitcase. Hopefully, and I don't have great depth perception, and I don't know if that, like, goes into, like, telling the difference between weights, but I'm gonna see how many reps I can do with each of these, and we'll figure it out. I can't tell. I never can. I think it's pretty close. And I'm going to show y'all the backpack carry-on and toiletries in a different way. My toiletries are all in my bathroom, and I already packed my Ziploc, my quart bag of stuff. I'm not repacking that. I love y'all not showing you maybe in the vlog I'll show you me repacking it in the hotel, but getting all of the tiny samples and the things in there that I decided to bring. I'm surprised the bag zips, and I'm always surprised the bag zips because I always bring so much stuff in that tiny little bag. But that's okay. Yeah, my makeup bag is pretty much already packed, and I don't think I'm doing makeup before I go on the trip, but I just want things to be available in case. I was gonna do makeup for the video today, and then I was like, I really don't want to. My hair's kind of gross, but I'm going to re-dye it pink for the trip, so I'm not gonna wash it in between now and Thursday, which is in 2 days. Yeah, my hair, I wash it like once a week. I'm not gonna mess up that cycle. But yes, sorry y'all don't get to see me packing the undies and socks, but I will be bringing underwear and socks. They're gonna go in this pouch. And then, yeah, so I'll show you packing the backpack and packing the toiletries. thanks for coming with me today. I had fun time packing up with y'all. I think I'm bringing a reasonable amount of clothes, especially because I'm also bringing options for my sister. So I'm not just packing for me. I'm also packing to help her bring things or have things to wear. So I'm not stressed. And there is room. There's room if I find things, end up thrifting things when we're there. So, and I also, at least one of the shirts I have in there, I know I'm going to let my sister keep. There might be a second one that if she likes, I think I'll let her keep it too. So I might be getting rid of 2 things, which opens up a spot for 2 things for me to get. Thanks for coming with me today. I had fun packing. Next vlog y'all see will be me in Vegas, probably traveling and like day 1.5. So excited to see y'all then.